Let us continue with the further two problems while we will do problem number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3. Mr. A submits the following information for the year 2018-19. Payments: insurance premium on life insurance policy on the life of Mrs. X. Policy was taken in 2004 by the Hindu undivided family of X and sum assured is 8,20,000. So he has paid rupees 1,30,000. And the income: basic salary 288,600, project allowance 1,06,000, high cost of living allowance 1,12,400, commission which he has received 1% on turnover. Turnover achieved by X is rupees 60 lakhs, so 60,000. Gift of kitchen appliances by employer, cost to employer is 13,400. Pension from a former employer, it is 1,76,800. House rent allowance is 1 lakh. Rent paid in Delhi 90,000. Profits and gains of newly set up undertaking in Jammu and Kashmir, it's 1,34,000. Profits from publication of books 1,40,000. Income from royalty on final accounts, a book written by X in Hindi and recommendations by the Rajasthan University. Gross amount is 17,000, expenses is 5,000, so he has received 12,000. Interest on post office bank account 15,500. Profits from business of dealing in equity shares on which securities transaction tax 18,760 is paid and the profit is calculated after deducting securities transaction tax of 18,760 is 35,000. Profits from business of growing mushrooms 2,28,000. Profits from export of goods outside India 3,21,000. Income from royalty on payments is 13,000. So he has got variety of income and as well as one payment. Let's see how it is being done. So we are to determine the net income and tax thereon of Mr. X for the assessment year 18-19, giving all permissible deductions. Now solutions to problem number 3. Income from salary, it is the basic salary, project allowance, high cost of living allowance, commission, gift of kitchen appliances. In case of house rent allowance, he'll be getting some exemption under section 1013A, which is given in note number 1, and which we'll see that exemption in case of house rent allowance is the list of the following, that is actual house rent allowance received, then excess of rent paid over 10% salary is already calculated of 3,48,600, so 55,140, and 50% of salary it's 174,300. Out of these three, rupees 55,140 being the least and is therefore exempt from tax. So this is the deductions under from the gross house rent allowance. Then pension and gross salary is 7,97,060. Then we will see the profits and gains of business and profession, newly set up undertaking, publication of books, profit from dealing in equity shares, export of goods, royalty on payments, growing of mushrooms. So income from other sources is 8,77,000. Interest on post office bank deposit is 12,000 and royalty on book and expenses 5,000. So it is ultimately 12,000 plus 12,000, 24,000. So gross total income comes to 16 lakh 98,060. Now see the deductions under section 80C to 80U. Under section 80C, the life insurance premium is 1,30,000. Under section 80IB, in respect of newly set up industrial undertaking, provided we are assuming that he has satisfied all the conditions, so 33,500. Under section 80QQB, in respect of royalty, 12,000. Under section 80RRB, in respect of regulatory on payments, 13,000. Under section 80TT, in respect of interest received from post office savings bank account, is eligible to get 10,000. So total deduction under section 80C to 80U is 1,98,500. Net income is 14,99,560. We can calculate the tax as per applicable rate. it comes to 262 368, and then there is education cess of 5247 plus 2624, and the tax liability will be rounded off at 2 lakh 70,240. So this is a comprehensive problem giving salaries as well as income from other sources. Now the last one, question number 4. Two partners, P and Q, are in the ratio of 3:2 of a firm at Delhi. They provided the following information for the year ending 2018. Long-term capital gains in respect of preference shares 10,000. Profit from newly set up industrial undertaking in Ladakh. Production commenced during the year 2001 to 2,25,000. Profits and gains from business of export of telecast rights 1,40,000. Profits and gains from export of machines to Maldives 2,40,000. Winnings from lotteries 50,000. Gifts received by the firm from A on December 1, 2017, 2,20,000. The firm makes the following expenditures not deducted from the aforesaid income: donation in cash to Prime Minister's National Relief Fund 10,000, interest on money borrowed for payment of income tax is 6,500. So we have to determine the net income of the firm for the assessment year 2018-19. So just have a look on the problem. It is a comprehensive one, getting different kinds of income. Now solutions. Profit from newly set up industrial undertaking 2,25,000. Profit from export of telecast right 1,40,000. Profit from export of machines 2,40,000. Capital gains 10,000. Income from other sources are winning from lottery as well as gift. So gross total income is 8,85,000. So from 8,85,000, deductions under section 80C to 80U are available. So under section 80G, in respect of donation to Prime Minister National Relief Fund, cash donation exceeding rupees 2,000 is not deductible. So he is not eligible. Under section 80IB, for newly set up industrial undertaking, 10-year limit has already expired. So nothing is allowable. So net income is 8,85,000. So this is a tricky one. In solution number 4, we will be trying to provide you this in printed form so that you can have a look on this kind of things in our particular site. And we hope that you will do other problems and solutions also to make yourself clear about the chapter deductions from gross total income. Thank you.